PET scan result. So that's the tumor that's still in my uterus, right next to my right ovary. So it's still a bit big, but it has shrunk in size due to the chemo. And that's the surgery I'll be having tomorrow on Tuesday to remove this and also my right ovary. But you can still live on one ovary. It's kind of like you can live on one kidney. Not live, but function normally. The tumors in my lungs did not light up during the PET scan, which means they are either dormant or dead. So that's good news. So that surgery, the lung surgery, will take place in January instead. So I'll have surgery tomorrow. Will be inserting a camera in my belly button, and then two small incisions on the two sides of my belly. And yeah, it should take only like an hour and a half, and I'll be able to go home on Wednesday. The lung surgery is a bit more complicated. I'll have to be on my side. They suspect it'll take around 4.5 hours to complete. And yeah, they'll go in and just remove the one on my right side because the tumor on my left side is so tiny. They can't find it, so they can't do the surgery. So what they'll do is leave it in there, and when I have to do my 3 monthly scans, if it starts growing again, they'll be able to find it and do the surgery to remove it. The good thing about lungs are they act as a filter, one-way filter, so things can enter but not leave. So I asked, okay, if we leave a tumor in, won't it start growing and spreading again to other parts of my body? And the surgeon said no, it will only be contained in the lungs, so you don't need to worry that it will metastasize all over the body. The risk will be leaving the tumor in my womb. That's the one that could spread. So I'm very glad to have that thing removed tomorrow. This is what the PET scan looks like. How it works is they inject your blood with radioactive glucose, and cancerous cells will eat like about 8 times more glucose than normal healthy cells. So it should light up brighter in the scan. Except for the brain, of course, which absorbs a lot of glucose. It goes back to me saying that telling cancer patients that sugar is bad for you makes no sense. Because if you studied high school biology, you'll know that all food during respiration is broken down into glucose anyway, which is sugar. And I will update again about this surgery. Toodles!